If you've ever uploaded a video, sat back and hoped that it will blow, only just to get 42 views and one of your cousins comment, yes, I've been there before, but I figured it out. Going viral in 2025 isn't about luck. It is about triggering 4 specific signals that goes YouTube, push this video. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down those 4 signals step by step. These are the same things that I teach in my course Monetize fast in 90 days that is going to be dropping May 26th. This exact strategy helped me grow, get monetized, and earn consistently on YouTube. So if your channel feels stuck right now, this is your fix. Let's get into it. Signal number 1 is topic demand. Your video needs to be something people are already searching for. Don't just post what you feel like posting. YouTube is a search engine. If nobody is searching for your video won't show up. Simple. It is as simple as that. So here is exactly what I do. First thing first is I go to Google Trends and see what is trending on Google, like what are people already searching for. Then search for your niche. For example, now my niche is passive income, YouTube growth. That is what I'll be focusing on Google Trends. Look for steady or rising trends in your niche. Say for example, now you want to make a finance video. Instead of just saying how I save money, try budgeting for beginners. This kind of topic trends consistently and attracts new viewers to your channel. Inside my course, I give you 10 viral video frameworks and a repeatable system to find profitable topics, even if you are starting with 0 views. One pro tip that I'm going to give you is to use YouTube auto suggest. Yeah, that is it. Start typing and let YouTube finish for you. You see all those, after you type what you are looking for on YouTube, all those tiny things that YouTube show you. Yeah, auto suggest. That is what people are literally searching for right now. Signal number 2 is clickability. You could have the best video ever. If your title and thumbnail don't stop people from scrolling, no one is going to be watching. Think curiosity, think tension or transformation. One of my course students changed their title format and saw a 3 times increase in the same content. I also teach a thumbnail formula in my Monetize fast in 90 days that shows you how to visually sell what is in it for me, because on YouTube your packaging matters as much as your content. Signal number 3 is retention. Retention is basically how long people stay on your video. The algorithm is obsessed with watch time. If people drop off after 30 seconds on your video, the algorithm is going to stop pushing it. Here is exactly how you're going to fix that. First thing is you need to open with a hook, not a boring, hey guys, hi guys, my name is Aderonga. I used to do that in the past. It doesn't work. And also break your videos into 2 to 3 minute sessions. Like, stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how to monetize in 3 months. That is exactly how you're going to keep people watching. Inside my course, these are the strategies that you are going to learn. And no, you don't need to be loud and dramatic. You just need structure and intention. The final signal, satisfaction. Yes, if you can satisfy your audience on YouTube, you have won in life. So YouTube survey viewers now. YouTube basically ask you, like, are you satisfied with this video? Make your audience click yes. So if the answer is yes, YouTube is going to continue to push that video. If the answer is no, YouTube is going to drop it. And that is exactly how your videos go from 200 views to 200k views, just because a lot of people are satisfied with your video. So what thing that you need to do is to give people real value, like solve a specific problem, deliver on your title. Do not put any clickbaity titles now, like people are over that. And also don't hold back the good stuff, especially if you're a small creator like me. Like, over deliver, under promise and over deliver. One of my favorite things in Monetize fast in 90 days is the small channel advantage session. Like, I'm big on small creators, small channels, because I'm a small channel myself. I want to hold their hand and walk them through this journey, because there are a lot of mistakes I have made in the past that I just wish somebody said, No, I don't care. That is not how to go about it, which is exactly what I'm going to be teaching new creators in this monetize fast in 90 days. So let's quickly recap on the 4 signals I taught in this video. First thing first is to start with the high demand video idea. Yes, start with what people are searching for. Package it with a clickable thumbnail and title. Yes, structure it for high retention and end it by actually delivering value that satisfy your audience. Do that consistently and you are going to grow on YouTube. And if you want to skip the guesswork, you are tired of winging it, and actually start making money on YouTube, I teach all of this in way more details in my monetize fast in 90 days that is going to be dropping May 26th. It's for YouTube creators that are serious about getting monetized fast and actually turning YouTube into a real income, even though you are starting from scratch. The link for my waitlist is going to be in the description box if you are ready to join us. Anyway, we've come to the end of today's video, and if you enjoy videos like this, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and of course leave a comment. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.